Hi, I'm Puya from BBQs.ca and we're looking at a Heston Deluxe Cart 42-inch model today. The Heston products are manufactured in California and comes in 3 different sizes. The 42-inch model that we have in front of us here today is 3 main trellis stainless steel burners, as well as an infrared burner on the left side of the barbecue. Built into the unit is the infrared side burner as well as the rotisserie kit, with the rotisserie rod being hidden in the actual grill space, and it can be mounted when in use and stored away when not in use at the top of the grill. The warming rack can also be utilized for cooking space because of the location of the rear burner being at the top of the hood, and it has 3 different positions so that you can provide different temperatures for cooking on the warming rack. It also includes the double side burner, controlled individually by 2 different knobs located at the front. The light structure in the horizon hood turns on and off automatically with the motion of the door moving up and down. Night lights on the control front are also able to be turned on and off, as well as the horizon hood being able to stay open at any position, so it enables you to monitor the food as it's cooking, and it is a counterbalance system supported from the inside of the grill. It also has the left side shelf that can be folded down or brought back up for usage. The Heston barbecue and all the built-in accessories have the 11 different color options as well as the stainless steel option. BBQs.ca, your source for grills and accessories.